Okay, so as you can see, I've been going through my folder of goodies, good weather images from the past, mostly from, I don't know, 2014. I saved a lot of weather images like this. And I was looking at this one, and you can see that I've already turned it back, or, flipped it over because it's backwards. You can see Mexico is backwards, everything's backwards. So you have to do that to overlay that over the moon, or you have to flip the moon to overlay it over the earth, whichever. I chose to do the moon this time because I want to point out something to you. This is a familiar pattern right here I've seen before. In the North Pacific, you see this same shape in the North Pacific. And you also see this in the Indian Ocean near India. Basically in the Bay of Bengal, you'll see the same spot. It's created by the same thing. I mean, I've seen it in North America. I've seen it in this location. Let me just show you the pattern. Okay, so I was just looking through my folder, ran across this. I remember what I did with it before, but here you go. This is it over this area of the moon. And just look what they do to the moon in this area. This is Google Moon, and you see how this is the side of the moon we can actually see from the Earth. You know what I mean? There's no lines in the moon on this side of the moon. I'm sorry, there's just not. They should have a perfect image of the moon here. The reason they don't have a perfect image of the moon here, it should be easy to understand why they don't. I mean, it shows these things. This is what it shows. That is Copernicus on the moon. And you can see how that aligns. Look at the rays that come out of that crater all around here, all these rays that come out. And it's like an ice cream cone shape, sort of. It kind of comes down to a point right here. It's the same pattern you're seeing in the weather right there. And look where it is. Look where the location is. It's not in the exact spot over the area where they say that crater hit the Yucatan Peninsula and killed all the dinosaurs and all that. It's not right in the exact place, but this is weather. It's going to move a little bit. It's not always over the exact spot where it's created. It moves off to the left, right, or east or west or whatever. But you can see that's right in the area of the Yucatan Peninsula where that, they say that big crater hit the Earth, or, the big meteor. What? They don't even know what. They don't tell us what. Because this is what it is. This is why they don't tell us what it is. They can't tell you what it is. They just tell you an asteroid or meteor hit there or something and it killed all the dinosaurs or whatever. But then you see this and you just go, I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. That's why the lines are there. If those lines weren't there, you would see everything. Everything would be there. I mean, you got to think about that, people. This is Google hiding the moon from you. The side you can see tonight with your own eyes right now. That's all I'm saying. I just thought that was interesting that, I just wanted to show you that Copernicus pattern. It's pretty neat to look out for that. You want to see that in the North Pacific. Like I said, you'll see it by India, in the Bay of Bengal. It's usually you'll see it in the weather in the Bay of Bengal. It floats around the whole inside of the Bay of Bengal, up into Burma, up into Myanmar. That big spot you see sometimes in the weather. It's like a big spot. It looks just like this right here. Anyways, just wanted to point that out. Everybody have a great night, great morning, great day, whichever. Thanks for watching.